Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to make a 3D hide effect showing up objects behind a person. It's often used for these trendy explanation videos, news videos or anything like that. First you copy or duplicate the main video and then you use the remove BG function to remove the background of this person. I have the pro version of Capcut, so the quick brush feature is available for me. After that, you can select the duplicated video scene, use overlay to drag the video on top of the main video. Then you can add a picture or a video you want to show up behind the person. I use a banana here. Just put it in the right position and adjust everything. The next step would be to change the layer of the banana to be behind the video we created before, where we removed the background. So now you can see the banana is still there, but it's behind the person. So as you can see here, the banana. So the next step would be just to create an animation where the banana comes out of the man. Using keyframes in the beginning can be a little bit hard, but don't give up, you will be used to it. I also have a video on my channel where I explain keyframes and animations a little bit more detailed. You can have a look if you want. You can change the speed of the movement from the banana in time, so use this template ease out and then it looks like accelerating like realistic smooth movements. To have a second example, I use this smiley here. Change the layer so the smiley will be behind the person, and then I will also create an animation with keyframes and use the ease out feature to make it look smooth. Then the smiley and the banana will show up behind the person. You can also use videos instead of pictures to realize this effect. Thank you for watching and see you next time.